He only logged in one.
No, they're both.
Wait, they're both guys? Are they both in?
Yeah. They're going around in a circle, I think. Where
Start
are
team
they?
up.
already. Me, dude.
Where they are going?
They're on the southwest side. Just keep sunblashing them.
If you want to, get up on the tower, maybe.
Yeah, tee up for the
I'm good.
tower.
Give me one shot.
Exotech's 1/4. Exotech. Focus Exotech.
Keep bringing him around in a circle. Bring him around one more time. Oh, we're gonna have to go behind there.
Raindrops one hit round by the circle.
Look at Branch up!
Yeah,
so
he's almost
bad.
dead.
Someone died.
Evelmir's good.
Exotech's dead.
They have hit me once.
Where is he? Is he still running?
I see him.
Which way is he going?
Southeast corner.
Mage is up on the tower.
I gotta send you a message this morning.
Yeah.
These corners don't.
Come here, Branch up! Southwest, going on the southeast now. Just get those thunder lashes ready, he's fucking dead.
Where is he?
North,
They were
northwest.
Keeps running the opposite
fuck,
direction I
the
am.
This is great.
Is he still running that way?
Where is
Got
he?
T-Lash on him.
Southwest side now. Nighttime.
He's dead.
Oh.